In this video today, I'm going to explain to you in detail how to start your own live streaming agency and make money from home. And even if you're a total beginner, you have no idea about all this live streaming platform and how the agency work, this video is for you. I will explain to you the advantages and the disadvantages of becoming an agent, who is a host, who is an agent, how do all these agents make their money, what are the right steps to follow before you become an agent, because honestly, agency is not for everyone. And if you watch this video till the end, I'll also share with you my tips and the tricks that I do, things I follow, the system I build that make me to be a successful agent. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So what is live streaming? Live streaming is simply an act of presenting to audience on a video in real time, just like all this Facebook live streaming, TikTok live streaming, Instagram live streaming. But this one that I'm talking about, there are platforms that specifically is meant for live stream, and you do simple tasks and you get reward while live streaming, while doing that. And I don't want to bore you so much. I have done a video that is showing 7 live streaming apps that pays you right here in Nigeria, and this is not restricted to Nigerians alone. You can do that from any part of the country. All you need to do is to have a mobile phone and internet connectivity. So who is an agent? Because this video we are talking about how to start your own agency and make money from home while live streaming. So an agent is someone that recruits new hosts to a live streaming platform and guide them on how the platform works. So it's one thing for you to be a host, and the other level is becoming an agent, because as an agent you are going to be earning more money. So your work as an agent is recruiting or inviting more people to the platform and then signing them under your agency, so that you are going to get percentage of all the activities that is working under your agency, which will take me to how do agents make money. Because a lot of this platform, me as an agent, honestly, I can't begin to disclose to you how much I've been making on all these platforms, which I'm going to tell you more as the video progresses. So how do agents make their own money? Number one, they make money from referral. Either you're an agent or not, you make money from that. But specifically as an agent, your major source of income is the percentage earning you make from people under your agency. And does that mean that people that are under your agency, immediately they will be taking money out of their points or their beans or their dollars or any other thing that other platforms use? No. What that means is that if you are under my agency, or if anyone is under your agency as an agent, it depends on your activity on that platform. You can be getting either 5%, 10%, or even 20% of whatsoever that platform is getting from that host that you invite. And you will not be wondering, then how are the hosts making their own money? Let's say on the platform, all these live streaming platforms, there are games, people gamble, people host panel, they host party, and so many other activities. So anyone under your agency that is doing any of these activities and they do their tax, you get percentage. And for those that are not under any agency, that means the platform is taking 100% of whatsoever they are taking away. I'm going to use one of the popular platform like Poppo now. The moment if you do exchange, or you are going to the platform will take 30% of whatsoever you exchange. So that 30%, your agent is going to earn a percentage out of that 30%, and the highest an agent can make on that Poppo platform is 20% out of that. Let's assume that 30%, the 100% of that 30%, okay, let's say maybe 10 points is the 30% that they took from you as you do exchange. So that 10 points, that means as an agent you can earn up to 20% out of that, or 4% depending on your activity. So even as agent is level by level. Like Poppo now, if you join, you are a level D. As you grow, you get to level C, level A, level S, which is the highest. So each platform carry their own activity. So that is how agents make money on all these live streaming platform. And there are a lot of live streaming platform, over 50, but the one I trust so far, as when I am doing this video, the ones that I've registered and I've earned from it and I've withdraw, they are up to 7, which I made mention in this video. I'm going to drop any video I talk about, I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video, or if at all I did not put what I mentioned, or there's any question you have, you can drop it in the comment section of this video. Please give this video a like. Thank you so much for doing that. So the next question is, what are the advantage and the disadvantage of becoming an agent? First of all, the advantage, okay? The advantage is, number one, you make more money, all right? Number two, you build community. Like me now, the reason why I am doing so well by God's grace in multiple platforms is because I have built a community from one of the platforms. So if I see any other new platform, I will sign up and become an agent. And the moment I tell people of my community, you see people who move from this to that, they will be here and they'll be there, and we all are making money. So that is one, okay? Number two is number three is you leverage, okay? You leverage on those people. Like now, because of the community I've built on all this making money online app, I can't begin to tell you how much some other new companies are ready to pay me so that I can talk about it. But most of the times, if I go filter it, I will always say no. In fact, like 99%, I have always been saying no. So you are going to leverage on all these people that are under your agency, okay? And as you are an agent, you get more gift. Honestly, people used to give me, sometimes if I open my panel before I come back, I see money without even knowing who and who really gifted me. So what are the disadvantages of becoming an agent? The disadvantage is you get haters. Like some people will just begin to hate you. Honestly, that is the major disadvantage. No matter how good, no matter how kind you are, you will definitely still see people that will speak ill about you. Like me now, especially as my husband was hospitalized. We were in the hospital for over 2 months or thereabouts. Some people that reach out to me that I was unable to answer them, you need to see the horrible things that they say about me and all that. There is someone that even converted her DP to my name and my profile, that I am a scammer or stuff like that. So you will get haters, but definitely the sweet part of it, the more money you make. Like even only that day, the money I withdraw, I was able to buy shawarma and buy other things for me, and then I just block her and all that. So that is the disadvantage. That is the major disadvantage, okay? And then of course, you are going to be money begat money. You're going to need more data and get a very strong power bank, because your phone battery will be running down. That's just the truth. But the money you make, sometimes the money you make in a day safe can buy you all that power bank and all that. All right, so now that we have known the disadvantage and advantage, how do we become agents on this platform? So different platform comes with their own different strategy on how they recruit, but majorly the first thing you need to do to become an agent on any platform is you first of all find out about that platform and sign up. So when you get a platform, you sign up and understand what the platform is all about, okay? Then you register. When you register as a host and then understand the app, then you are going to get a link to sign up to become an agent. Like me now, on some of the app that I talk about, I will drop links to become an agent and link to sign up in the description of this video. So when you sign up, that is some app. While other app, you have to DM the admin and tell them that you want to become an agent. Some, they will ask you, like there's Nikki Life who asks me that, am I an agent in any other platform? If you say yes, they will say screenshot and tell us. They need to see, there are some app that are coming up, they only need people that are already active. That is one of the leverage I talk about. Okay, so you need to be active. So once you sign up and become an agent, the next thing you need to do is to start recruiting people to join your agency. Of course, you get your logo, create your own logo. Like me now, this is my logo. Almost all the platform, that's the logo I use. And the star means everybody is a star. The check means that is done, like it's an affirmation. My logo is an affirmation into everybody's life that is in my agency. So the more people join your agency, the more commission you get, the more money you make. All right, so what are the tips? How can you become a successful agent? It is very important. The first thing is you need visibility. You need to be visible. Just as I said earlier, agency is not for everyone. So you need to be visible. You need to market your brand. You need to talk about it to recruit more people like me now. And the simplest way to be visible these days is to become a content creator. So if you can live stream, why not create video? Why not open a YouTube channel? And I'm going to drop a description in the description of this video, a playlist of full video on how to you can also create your own YouTube channel like this, make videos and all that. Okay, so you need to be visible. That's the first thing. You need to be visible, because the higher people join, the higher you earn money. All right, then second thing, you need to be consistent. Okay, some people get discouraged. I know a lot of people that we started this app together, what I make in a day, some of them doesn't make in a month. Okay, so you need to be consistent. A lot of us, we give up too quick, too easily. All right, why not continue? You do it today, do it tomorrow. It might be one person that view today, one person tomorrow, but before you know it, the persistence and consistency is going to help you a lot. Okay, then the third thing is you need to build a system that works for you even while you are asleep. One of the highest months I earned is even when I was in the hospital with my husband. How? It's because I have created a lot of content about different apps, and I build a system, which is, as I talk about it, I drop a link to my Telegram group. So as people Google about apps that make money on the internet, Google refer them to my video, which is on YouTube. When they watch my YouTube video, I talk about, okay, I have a community Telegram in the description. As they click, it will take them to the Telegram. When they go to the Telegram, I have pinned a post. Here's how to sign up. Here's how to become an agent. Here's how to play game. Here's how to add my logo. Here's how to join my agency. I create different articles and videos about that. And as they click, I see a lot of people till this day join my agency, do their tax, withdraw money. Sometimes I'll just be in my panel and I'll see people coming to appreciate me for all the beautiful and awesome work that I've been doing. Meanwhile, I'm also smiling to the bank. What a time to be alive. So that is how to start your own live streaming agency and become successful, making money even from your comfort zone from home. I've done a video, 13 different ways you can make money on the Poppo, and I've done multiple videos on different platforms. So in the description of this video, I'll put some of the platforms, some of the content that I've made on each and every platform. It might be overwhelming, but if you watch, you take your time and go through it, you are going to appreciate it. Thank you so much. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. Drop a beautiful comment. If you want content like this, let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, I have I have a video I want to talk about. I am creating a video on how you can be making money on cryptocurrency, different ways you can earn, because as we withdraw money, as we earn from all this platform, we need to see how we can be making more money, so that the money we make, all the USDT that we make from all these platforms, you can move it to your Binance, to your Trust wallet, and so that you can learn how to trade cryptocurrency. Now both can be trading for you. You can do copy trading. So all this is the video that I'm going to talk about. So if you are interested in that video, please drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you are interested in the video about crypto trading, so that if that video is out, I will come back personally and then reply to you in the comment section with the link to the video. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.